Guys, Brandon Bingham here. Today I'm playing Ratchet and Clank. Uh, if you're wondering what this sound is, I'm gonna be eating Pop Rocks too. What the fudge? No. Okay, I gotta press start. New game. I guess slot one. My other brother done this before me. He played it. I haven't played it yet. Well, I haven't played it in a while. Okay, saved complete. Okay, I'll go to it then. I don't know what I've done. Oh, a rocket. A spaceship. Something. Dang, that is way too big. Oh, dang, the face.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
I forget how to use the controls. I haven't played this ever since I played this whenever I was a little kid. Oh, yep, there's where the little guy comes in. He used to be my favorite. I think I actually have his skin. No, my friend does. Oh, there he is. He looks cute. Oh. What's up? Can I skip this? Oh, I can. I think I did. I'm gonna skip all this, guys. Okay.
Welcome to the Gadgetron help desk. We're here to offer you advice on interplanetary travel.
I need to look. There we go. Oh god, it's inverted for me. Dang. Oh. Oh. What happens if I press triangle? Oh shoot. What I do? What happens if I press X? Oh wait, there it is. Crap, go back to this. Alright guys, let me change the let me try to get the inverted off, okay? Okay, I fixed it. I gotta change the nope. Oh yeah, this camera. I'm gonna go to medium, see how that works. How does fast go? Cause I think I need it fast. Oh yeah, that helps a lot. Better. Is there anything over here? Barrier, dang. I want to go faster. I want to go a lot faster. But yeah, I'm trying to play different games for y'all, because I don't want it to only be Minecraft. I'll play Minecraft later on. Probably not today. I'm probably gonna play Ratchet and Clank today because I haven't played it in a while. I loved this game as a little kid.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk messages, please select option. Gadgetrons.
I don't care about Gadgetrons. All I want to do is play this. Can I break that? Okay. I'll break this. Nope.
That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury,
shut up. I'm not going to sustain injury anyway. Oh, you die. Oh, you die. Oh, crap, you're dying. So many loud noises, guys, for me. It might be the same for you guys. It might be the same. Yeah, look at my face. I am running like a beast. Ow, fudge. Get out of here with that shit. Get out with that shit. Ow, fudge. I can't fight that guy. Oh god, look. You didn't take a breather? Or is that because you're like, don't worry, we'll get you some more health, dude. Don't you dare worry. Just hurt me. No, I thought the spikes hurt me, that was bad. Okay, yeah, that was only what it was. Wait, hold on, what? Aw, man. I thought it was gonna get me all the way back up. Shoot, so if this guy hits me, that's it.
To use your bond block, press the circle button and the circle button.
Did you just kill one of your own men? What is wrong with you? I think I hit like X. No, what did I do? What did I do? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, I figured it out. Shoot. Get that out of here. No. I see him right there. I think that's him. That's my new buddy. Oh, I can go to this. I don't know what this means. I'm floating. Dang, these rocks are ginormous compared to me. Yeah, I see him right there. Oh, yeah, that was him. I seen the little thing. Hello? Oh, you're holding like a baby.
Interesting.
Yeah,
You're quite handy with your wrench. You bet. I'm built that ship with it. Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in sailing the solar system. Do you know where I might find?
Hello, citizen.
The people on those planets are whole.
sorry I'm skipping it. I just don't want to let y'all watch all of it, because it's kind of boring, and I want to get this done already. I'm trying to get it as far as I can because my videos are already 9 minutes long. So I don't care. Oh crap! I don't remember what I gotta do. Oh, I see it right here. What to do? What the fudge? Oh, okay. Get up. Oh, fudge. Okay. Ah, shit. shit nuggets. Oh shit. Huh. Yeah. Huh. Oh shite. Okay guys, I'm gonna skip it until I get there. Okay, I finally made it past this. And there's a little thing over here. What is this? Get out of here, YouTube. Oh, they blow up, okay. Yeah, this is why I'm getting all these things for, just to fix my ship. Even though, like, there's no purpose to them. Bomb ammo. So there are different paths to take, but I'll take this one. Ow, what the fudge? Oh shit! Get out of here. I don't know what's below me. Ow. Get out of here. I see this. What the fudge? Get out of here. I broke it. Wait, what did I even do over here? What? Okay. I just now went through there, I think. Oh wait, I can swim now. I want to swim a lot faster, like, seriously. What is this? That looks weird. Wait. I don't know what that's. I don't know what this is even here. Do I need to break this? No, I can't break it. Okay. Made it. Oh wait, this one actually works. Oh fudge! Oh, I thought I fell. Okay, guys. I'm going to end the video here since it's already 13 minutes long.
And blasted.
If you liked it, if you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends about my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I don't care what y'all leave in the comments today, cause like I don't know what to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is part 1.